Welcome to part 2 of the Little Muffins bag template. In this tutorial, I will share my tips and tricks to help easily create the bag. This will fit a standard size Little Bites bag. To begin, cut off the excess using a cutting tool or scissors. Once that cut, be sure not to cut off the glue tab. Flip the template over and place the bag of muffins in the middle and center of the template. Begin to fold the side with the glue tab, and using tape or glue, I find matte tape is easiest. Secure it down. Shake the muffins a bit to the bottom, and then use your fingers to push down the original bag and fold the opposite side up and over, meeting at the end of the glue tab. Once again, secure it down with tape or glue, and be sure to secure down the top and the bottom as well. Flip the bag over, and then using your fingers inside the bag, help flatten and pinch close the openings of the bag. Take some tape and fold it over the edge to secure it closed. Repeat the exact steps at the bottom of the bag as well. Then you're finished. Make these for any event. I hope the tutorials and template was helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on your next creation.